Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Hyper-V on Windows 11. Now you can install Hyper-V on any Windows 11 version other than Windows 11 Home. So if you have Windows 11 Pro, Education, or Enterprise, then you can install Hyper-V. Now before you try to install Hyper-V, you should have virtualization enabled for your machine. So if you're on an Intel based machine, you need to have VTX on, and if you're on an AMD based machine, you need to have AMD-V turned on. Those settings should be available within your BIOS. So once you've made sure you have virtualization enabled for your machine, you just want to come to Start and you want to type Turn Windows Features On or Off, and then you want to open it up. Now inside the list here, you want to come down to Hyper-V, and then if you want both the management tools and the platform itself installing, then you can just select the overall Hyper-V folder here. However, if you just want the management tools, so you just want a way to connect to an external server that has all the Hyper-V VMs on, then you just need to have the Hyper-V management tools installed. Now I want both the management tools and the ability to be able to run VMs on the machine itself, so I'm going to have both the management tools and the platform installed. So if we now just click OK, and we just let it search for the required files, and then after applying its changes, if we now click Restart Now, and now it should start installing all of the Hyper-V components onto the machine. And now the machine is restarted. If we now just search for Hyper-V, as you can see Hyper-V Manager is here, and we can open it up. And there we go, Hyper-V is now installed on this machine. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget to like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.